We got to let that settle in for a little bit, folks. We cannot play that. Gap ups. Really not going to see a whole lot. We got Win and NBev. NBev, I believe, announced a deal with Walmart, if I was hearing Mr. Moon correctly. Okay, so we got that set.
YRIV, Yankee Romeo India Victor. That was not on our watch list, but that
let's see what we can do here. Nothing in the Russell. Whew. EA not looking healthy, overextended for us to get in.
Wow, Mars, $2.
These airlines are going to come back today, it feels like, huh? What's our VIX spread doing? We have the regular May 1720 on. We got in for 50 cents on Friday, and it's trading. How is it still trading 50? Should be higher. It'll be higher.